Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fixin' 2. And in today's video, we're going to be working on the brakes on the 1965 Ford F350.
Welcome to Fixin' 2.
Okay, so I just need to address a couple things. One, obviously, I'm not in the view. I have bad poison ivy all over my face, and so my face is really red, and I just don't feel like working today. And two, we haven't posted in a while. We've gotten back from a lot of stuff, getting back from the mountains and, being sick. Also, it's taken our dad a long time to find any tires for this thing that aren't split ring, but he scoured the internet for a while and finally found a pair, and so he lives in Montana, so we're probably just going to have those shipped to us. So, yeah.
Comedian is not going to be in the video this time. He's going to stay off camera and work on parts for his
Trailmaster
go-kart that was broken.
Correction,
That the girls broke.
What
so
if we started with
bring the bag of
springs?
tools over here, Bennett, so we can
Let's try it. Maybe we're going to start with the springs.
use them
and see what happens.
Huh?
What are they?
You just had the bag of tools over there.
Oh, yeah. I'm so done.
All right.
What if we start with springs?
I'm going to leisurely lay under here. Yeah, maybe that'll help. Did we not get new springs?
No.
Oh, okay.
That's one of the things that you were so ticked off about, remember?
I'm ticked off about it. You don't have your screwdriver either.
No, I need a screwdriver.
Screwdriver trick.
There you
Is there a
go.
screwdriver in there?
What? I think so.
Not one that's long enough. All right, Bennett, you're parts boy now.
No, I'm not.
Let's try this.
That's not gonna work. Stop it. No, quit it. Stop it. I'm letting it go.
Watch your fingers.
Nope.
Takes me a couple times.
I'd rather watch my face than my fingers. You need to make sure that
Dad,
tab is in the
I've
right place too, or is it
learned
gonna come
not
off?
watching your fingers. You do want to watch your fingers.
You what?
You do want to watch your fingers, I've learned.
You do want to watch your fingers?
Yes, I've learned. Personal experiences with nearly losing your fingers.
Watch your thumb.
Oh.
Trick is to go slow, but it's hard. Nothing else. There we go. That wasn't hard
One.
at all. Rapid reassembly.
This should have been our YouTube channel name.
Rapid unscheduled disassembly. We did clean those, right? I think
Sure.
we cleaned those before.
Yeah, well, they're
They
locked
would definitely
up
be
again.
all screwed, not screwed, but all rusted shut. But they're not rusted shut.
Well,
I probably cleaned them.
Let's do the springs first again.
Springs first? Okay. Yeah. So I moved over to the driver's side and we're going to put these on. While looking at the drums, notice that the inside axle bearings were pretty dried up. Didn't really have any grease in them. And we didn't really have a good way to...
Hey Bennett, can you throw me the long screwdriver?
we didn't have a good way to grease them the way they were, so we went ahead and just pulled the seal out. We'll replace the seal as well. The driver's side looked like it had a new seal on it already. But we went ahead and just snatched it out, and so we can grease the bearings up really good.
Patent pending.
Just spray some PB Blaster on your screwdriver to make it slick.
Yeah. Why did it go easily before?
I can give you a little bit. That'll help. There you go. All right, so a little bit of backstory. Like Bennett said, we were scouring the interwebs for wheels, because once we found out they were lock ring, and then found out that the bolt pattern on it, which is 6 by 7 1/4, is a very rare, obsolete bolt pattern. So no companies,
Nothing. Muttering to myself.
So no companies make those wheels, and I was going to have to resort to making new wheels, or having a company make new wheels with the bolt pattern in them. Basically buying some dually wheels and with no center, and then having them cut the right bolt pattern in them to the tune of $2,000 to get them shipped here from California. As I was getting ready to actually buy the wheels, one of the Facebook Ford F350 forums I'm on just threw a quick question out there, and one of the members actually said, I've got 6 17.5-inch wheels that come stock on these things. And I'd read on the forums that you can actually find some wheels that were 17.5 that Ford put on trucks, along with Dodge, certain Dodge models, international truck models, had 17.5-inch wheels on them.
I didn't just
do that. They came stock that were one piece. Did you do it wrong?
That. Yep, I did.
How did you do it wrong?
I put the bigger side on the back.
Are they not the same size?
No.
Did you do it right on the other side?
Yeah.
Okay. That came on those trucks stock, but they were extremely hard to find just because they're old and that sort of thing. So I just resigned myself that I wasn't going to find any, but I actually found some, and they're only, I'm going to get shot in the face with a spring.
Not.
Actually only $70 a piece, $75 a piece. So, and they're in Montana, so I'm actually in talks with the guy now to try to get them shipped here. And then I can get some wheels, go back to Maxi Lube, and the owner there, one of the owners there, Steven, has been helping me out. Once I tell him 17.5, we should be able to get some decent tires for this thing, and we can get it rolling again, get it back off these jack stands. So. Got him.
Wait, did it just go around?
No.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, maybe.
How did it do that?
I don't know, don't question it. All right, well. So now the only thing that's really keeping us from, well, that's, I think you should probably hit that with a screwdriver and knock it straight.
Yeah,
The
probably.
only thing that's keeping us from completing this, the back brakes, is those wheels, axle seals. So we'll get the axle seals ordered up and pick them up tomorrow and slam those in. And we do it the other way.
My most favorite part.
Definitely not. Get the
Need to make a shirt that says doing drum brakes is the best, said no one ever.
Said no one ever. But doing drum brakes will give you an appreciation for regular brakes. So there may be a fixin' to extra brake video coming up soon. The boy's grandfather wants him to do the brakes on his Armada. So
It's gonna snap back on you.
he needs rotors and
My back just popped.
that's good chiropractic work. I have another screwdriver to pop it. There you go. Like a glove.
No more. Done forever.
Fiend. All right, well, anything else?
Nope. Bye-bye.
All right. All right, guys, I know this was a short video, but we wanted to give you guys something to watch tonight. You're gonna have to get my face tonight because Harrison doesn't like talking and Bennett has poison ivy face, so you get this face. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. All right, guys, I know it was a short video, but we wanted to give you guys something to watch tonight. And my mind went blank. Redo.
We're going to be continuing the brakes on the 1965 F350.
Welcome to Fixin' 2.